What's up, everybody? Been a while. Took the motor out on Saturday, and then it rained the last 2 days, so finally got to it today on Wednesday. So this would be day 6 or so. So update, got all that out. We are working back here and look at it all, pretty much all out. That thing right there, that big white piece, is like one giant piece. So it looks like I'm gonna have to pry it up and hope I don't poke a hole in the hull. But you can see that part right there, right there. Here's a hole. The composite came up, or the glass came up, and so I'm gonna have to grind it down or something like that. I'm not really sure how I do that. And then right underneath this one right here, there's another hole right there where the guy that had the boat previously, or the previous owner before that one, had too many people in the boat while it's on the trailer, and it cracked. I guess they were jumping around and cracked the hull, so I'm gonna have to fix that too. Yeah, fun shit. Still haven't gotten that off. I don't know why, it just won't come off. I'm about to rip it off, buy a new one, honestly. But we got the engine out. We're working on getting that all done. Have to grind, and then found out that the transom is actually pretty good, but to have a boat buddy that lives next door, and he's been building boats for years, and he said that if I'm really worried about it, that I can just go ahead and take a 3/4 marine plywood, composite it all up, and then glue it basically to this side, so to reinforce it. So I think that's a great idea, instead of having to tear everything out and prolonging my project. I would like to get out on the water sometime this season. So next thing I gotta do is grind all this stuff down, I guess rip that up. I have to get that long board out, and then grind and sand everything down so it's nice and smooth, and then I can start putting my boards in. So anywho, just thought I'd let you guys know what's going on. Thanks a lot for all the comments and helping out.